class you learnt articles a, an, and the, isn't it? Have you did that remove activities? Have you do you have completed? Okay. Today I start lesson number 5, adjectives. Adjectives. Adjectives means adjectives are describing words. Describing words. These are describe about the noun. Describe about the nouns. Already you know what is noun. Noun is a naming word, and noun is a naming word. And adjectives are describing about the noun. How is the noun? See, words that describes noun are called adjectives. Adjectives tell us something more about the noun. Something more about the noun. Adjectives are tell us something about the something more about the noun. More about the noun. It may be adjectives can be about colors. Maybe colors, behavior, how many, shades, taste, feelings, looks, sizes. Colors means we say I have a green color shirt, I have a pink frock, like this one. We say frock is a noun and color is an adjective. And also behavior, she looking rude, Geeta is a rude girl, Sheeta is a rude girl, Pawan is a kind person. Like this we say, no? It means I write here one sentence. See here. Gagan is a rude boy. Gagan is a rude boy. Here, Gagan is a noun. Gagan is a non-naming word. Gagan is a naming word. Gagan is a, how is a Gagan? Gagan is a rude. Gagan is a rude boy. It is an adjective. Can you understand? The word rude tells something more about the Gagan. Something more about the Gagan. So, rude is an adjective. See in the colors in your textbook there given behavior. How many? Little, few, 10 or 9, like this way, etc. Shapes, oval shape, circle and square. These are adjectives. Then taste, sour, sweet. Isn't it bitter? Then feelings, happy, scared, happy, scared, fear. These are an adjectives. Looks, pretty. Sita is a pretty girl. Sita is a pretty girl. The word pretty is tells us something more about the Sita or Geeta. Geeta is a pretty girl. If I say Geeta is a pretty girl, Geeta is a pretty girl. In this sentence, pretty, the word pretty is an adjective. Then looks. Okay, pretty, thin, fat, thin, big, small, sizes, large, big, small, etc. Adjectives make reading interesting and tell us more about the noun. Adjectives make reading interesting and tell us more about the nouns. Tell us more about the nouns. Something tells more about the nouns. Can you understand? See there in your textbook they are given one activity. Activity 1 is there. The word interesting is an I read interesting. Interesting books. I have books. They are interesting. I have some books. They all are interesting. The word interesting is an adjective. In second one, an emperor lived in ancient China. An emperor lived in ancient China. Ancient. Next one, some evil man took the emperor from his throne to a lonely tower. Here, evil man. Understand? Remaining there is 15 given there. 15 sentences given there. We have to do in a grammar book. Okay, take a pencil and underline the word. And if you find out an adjective, underline the adjectives. Next, see there. He loved. Fourth one, see. He loved his teeny daughter. The word teeny. Teeny means small. That is an adjective. So you should put there underline teeny. Then he loved a beautiful golden apple. So beautiful. The word beautiful is an adjective. Like this way, how to do in one home. Next, activity 2 is there. Draw or paint anything. Draw or paint anything that comes to your mind on a chart paper. Let the entire chart get covered with your drawings and colors. Now let us describe the painting and the activity. You may use words like colorful. The picture is very colorful. Otherwise beautiful, fun, filled, soothing, etc. This type of words you should use there. In this way, you use adjectives to describe your artwork. Describe your artwork or how you feel when you do an activity. You have to do this at home. Take one drawing paper and draw the pictures, and after that you say about the picture. How is the picture? How is looking the picture? That is looking. If there is looking colorful, you use the colorful, beautiful. This type of words you have to use and write. Okay. Go to the next page. See there. Activity 3 is there. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from the box. Activity 3 is there. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from the box given below. Here one box given there. They are given some words, some adjectives. Sharp, warmest, old, pretty, soft, foolish, powerful, humped, colorful, juicy, unhappy, sweet. These are all adjectives. You have to choose you take these words from this box and fill there down. They are given 10. Fill in the blanks. 1 to 10. Choose the suitable adjectives and fill here. Okay. First one, in an orchard stood an dash apple tree. Second one, his dash act caused the family a huge loss. You can rest on my dash branch for the winter. You have to take from this box words and from the box and fill here. Okay. Do it in your home. Activity 4 is there. Sing the song. Underline the adjectives in the song. Sing the song and underline adjectives in the song. Do it in your grammar book only. I read that poem. All things bright and beautiful. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All creatures great and small. All these wise and wonderful. All these wise and wonderful. Next page, see there. The Lord God made them all. The Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. Here, you take a pencil and underline the adjectives. Bright. First line, see there. Bright, beautiful. Next, second line, great and small. Then wise, wonderful. Next line, Lord God made them on each little flower, the word little. Underline the little. Each little bird. Then he made them glowing colors. Put underline glowing colors. He made them tinny wings. Tinny. The word tinny is an adjective. Just put an underline. Okay. Can you understand this lesson, children? See there, the activity 5, home assessment is there. Home assignment. See there, stick or draw. Stick or draw a picture of your home and your family members. Write 10 sentences describing your home and your family members. Every sentence must have an adjective. See there, stick or draw your family picture. Stick or draw. If you want to draw here. Otherwise, pictures, collect the pictures and stick there. Then, after that, you have to describe about the family. Our family is sweet family, like this way. Words, you have to use their adjectives. Understand? Next, second one, choose any one personality. Choose any one personality. Your friend or in your family member. Your friend or in your family member, and describe him or her in 4, 2 or 5 sentences using adjectives. For example, I have my best friend Geeta. She is a nice girl. The word nice is an adjective, no? And she draw the picture very beautiful. She draw beautiful picture. The word beautiful is also, she can draw a beautiful picture. Beautiful. The word beautiful is also an adjective, isn't it? Like this way, you have to write in your notebook. Okay? Can you do it? Okay. Yes. Thank you. Today's class notes I will send after the class in your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.